In this short video, we can take a look at the basic design of KipwareM, Conversational CNC Programming Software for milling. This is the main screen from which conversational menus can be selected from the left side, to create G-code for all the machining operations required to machine a workpiece complete. Let's start by selecting the facing menu. We can fill in the blanks on the form with the information as they pertain to the workpiece and machining operation. First, we'll give the cycle a name. Then we can select the type of cutting to include in the cycle, roughing or finishing or both. Then simply fill in the blanks for the rest of the form. When it comes time for cutting parameters, we can use the Kipware CSF Speed and Feed Wizard to auto-calculate cutting RPM and feed rates based on our configurable database. Once all the inputs are complete, we can select Create Program and KipwareM will generate the G-code and place the cycle in the tree. The design of KipwareM is to use the conversational menus to create each cycle for every required machining operation to machine the workpiece complete. Each time the cycle will be placed in the tree. In our next video, we'll explore more details of KipwareM,